Imagine a city where ancient history and modern life intertwine, overlooking the mesmerizing Aegean Sea. Welcome to Izmir, Turkey's third-largest city, a vibrant and dynamic metropolis with a history dating back thousands of years. This city, once known as Smyrna, is a historical tapestry woven with threads from ancient Greek, Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman civilizations. Each of these cultures has left indelible marks, contributing to the city's rich and varied heritage. Nestled in the heart of Izmir is the Agora of Smyrna, an ancient Roman market that stands as a tangible testament to the city's historical significance. Just a stone's throw away, the ancient city of Ephesus beckons with its well-preserved ruins, offering a glimpse into a bygone era. From the bustling Agora of Smyrna to the ancient city of Ephesus, Izmir's rich history is a testament to the civilizations that have shaped it over the centuries. But Izmir is not just about history. The city pulses with a dynamic cultural scene and modern attractions that beckon travelers from around the globe. Its theaters and galleries are alive with creativity, while its festivals celebrate everything from music to film and the arts. The lively district of Alsancak is a hub of nightlife, shopping and entertainment, where the rhythm of the city can truly be felt. The Cordon Promenade, a picturesque waterfront area along the Aegean Sea, is a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll, offering a beautiful blend of parks, cafes and restaurants. The iconic Clock Tower, a prominent landmark in Konak Square, stands as a proud symbol of the city. Don't miss the chance to visit Kadife Kale, a historical fortress that offers panoramic views of Izmir, and the Archaeological Museum of Izmir, home to an extensive collection of artifacts that reflect the region's diverse history. Whether you're strolling along the Cordon Promenade, exploring the vibrant nightlife in Alsancak, or immersing yourself in the city's rich cultural offerings, Izmir offers something for every traveler. Izmir is a city that has seamlessly blended its rich history with the vibrancy of modern life. It's a place where ancient ruins whisper tales of Greek, Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman civilizations, and modern cafes hum with lively conversations and the clinking of coffee cups. The city's cultural heartbeat is felt in its art galleries, theaters, and the numerous festivals that celebrate music, film, and arts throughout the year. Take a stroll along the picturesque Cordon Promenade, or immerse yourself in the nightlife of the lively district of Alsancak. Marvel at the historic clock tower in Konak Square, or gaze out over the city from the ancient fortress of Kadife Kale. The city's rich tapestry of history is beautifully showcased in the Archaeological Museum of Izmir, and the ancient market of the Agora of Smyrna. From ancient ruins to modern cafes, from bustling markets to tranquil sea views, Izmir is a city that invites you to explore, to discover, and to fall in love with every step you take. So, when will you visit Izmir?